How to fix a Facebook business page not showing up on search. So if it isn't showing up, the first thing you can check is visibility and restriction. And according to their official help center, your page must be published, active, and not restricted by age or country. Otherwise, it won't appear to users who don't meet those criteria. So go to your page, go ahead into settings and privacy over here, and then go ahead to the settings, then finally your audience and visibility. So make sure it is published, remove any restrictions, and also ensure your page has a profile picture, a cover photo, and basic info, since incomplete pages may not show in search or have a hard time being shown there. Another common reason is new page delay or lack of optimization. So with that, it can take several days for a new page to appear in the search results. So in your case, you could just go ahead and wait for maybe a few days. But other than that, check your page for any kind of violations or those kind of the similar, since if it is, of course, it's going to have a harder time to appear as well. Those are a few things you can put in mind. Hopefully this helps, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.